Are you tired of struggling to find delicious vegan meals while traveling? Do you want to explore the world without sacrificing your plant-based lifestyle? You're not alone. As the number of vegans grows worldwide, so does the demand for the best vegan holiday destinations. But where do you begin? How do you find these hidden vegan-friendly gems that cater to your dietary preferences and offer unique, unforgettable experiences? Fear not, fellow vegan traveler, I've got your back. In this comprehensive guide, we're diving into the top vegan travel destinations across the globe. Top vegan travel destinations. As more people embrace a vegan lifestyle, the demand for vegan-friendly travel destinations continues to grow. This section highlights the very top vegan travel destinations that cater to plant-based food enthusiasts. From bustling cities to tranquil beach towns, these destinations offer a wide variety of delicious vegan food and vibrant vegan scenes to explore. Playa del Carmen is a must-visit destination for vegan travelers. This beautiful beach town offers an impressive selection of vegan eateries, vegan-friendly restaurants, and a thriving vegan community. Many local restaurants offer vegan options, including delicious vegan tacos and mouth-watering vegan pizza. The city's vegan food scene is also known for its raw food options and creative plant-based dishes. With its picturesque beaches and a growing vegan scene, Playa del Carmen is one of the best vegan travel destinations around the world. Berlin has earned its reputation as the vegan capital of the world thanks to its incredible vegan food scene and strong vegan culture. The city boasts a large number of vegan restaurants, cafes, and street food vendors, making it easy to find vegan food around every corner. Berlin is also home to several annual vegan events, including the popular Vegan Summer Festival. With a wide range of vegan eateries and a vibrant vegan community, Berlin is a top destination for vegan travelers. Portland is well known for its amazing vegan food scene, making it a top vegan travel destination in the United States. With a wide range of vegan and vegetarian-friendly eateries, Portland offers vegan travelers a variety of options, from vegan street food to high-end vegan cuisine. The city also has a thriving vegan community, with numerous vegan events, meetups, and a strong focus on sustainability. Portland's commitment to the vegan lifestyle and its abundance of vegan food options make it a must-visit destination for vegan travelers. Chiang Mai is a top destination for vegan travelers in Southeast Asia. This beautiful city is home to a growing number of vegan and vegetarian restaurants, offering a range of vegan Thai dishes and international vegan cuisine. From vegan street food to high-end vegan restaurants, Chiang Mai has a diverse vegan food scene that caters to a variety of tastes. The city's beautiful temples and vibrant markets also offer a unique cultural experience, making Chiang Mai one of the best vegan-friendly travel destinations. Barcelona is one of the most vegan-friendly cities in Europe, offering a wide range of vegan cafes and restaurants to satisfy your cravings. The city is well known for its modernist architecture, stunning beachfront, and lively art scene, making it a perfect destination for culture and cuisine. While in Barcelona, make sure to try vegan versions of traditional Spanish dishes like vegan paella and tapas. With so many vegan options available, you'll never run out of places to eat in this beautiful city. Melbourne is a vegan-friendly destination that offers a perfect blend of culture and cuisine. Known for its vibrant art scene, stunning architecture, and beautiful parks, Melbourne is a city that begs to be explored. The city boasts numerous vegan cafes and restaurants, offering a variety of dishes, including vegan burgers and entirely vegan menus. Melbourne's vegan offerings cater to both locals and travelers, so you'll always find a delicious vegan meal to satisfy your hunger. India is known for its rich culture, beautiful architecture, and amazing vegan food. New Delhi in particular offers an unforgettable experience for vegan travelers. The city is home to many vegan and vegetarian restaurants, serving a wide range of dishes that showcase the flavors of Indian cuisine. While in New Delhi, make sure to visit some of the city's most iconic landmarks, like the Red Fort and the Lotus Temple. Enjoying the city's incredible vegan food scene is just another reason to visit this vibrant destination. Cape Town is a stunning destination that combines breathtaking natural beauty, a fascinating history, and a thriving vegan food scene. The city offers numerous vegan and vegetarian eateries, from casual cafes to fine dining restaurants. While exploring Cape Town's vibrant neighborhoods and stunning landscapes, make sure to try local vegan dishes like bunny chow and bobotie. With its unique culture and growing number of vegan-friendly destinations, Cape Town is quickly becoming a must-visit city for vegan travelers. Vegan adventure travel destinations. If you're a vegan traveler who loves a good adventure, there's no need to compromise on your plant-based diet. These exciting destinations offer thrilling experiences and a growing vegan food scene, making them perfect for adventurous vegans seeking new experiences. Costa Rica is a nature lover's paradise, offering stunning landscapes and a diverse range of outdoor activities. With its beautiful beaches, lush rainforests, and wildlife-filled national parks, this Central American gem is an ideal destination for vegan adventurers. As you explore the country's natural beauty, you'll find an increasing number of vegetarian and vegan restaurants serving delicious plant-based dishes, from traditional Costa Rican cuisine to a good old vegan burger. Queenstown is often referred to as the adventure capital of the world, and for good reason. This picturesque city offers a variety of thrilling activities, including bungee jumping, whitewater rafting, and skydiving. As you conquer your fears and try new experiences, you'll be pleased to find a growing vegan food scene in Queenstown. There are a number of completely vegan and vegan-friendly restaurants, ensuring you can refuel after your adrenaline-pumping adventures. Banff is a breathtaking destination located in the heart of the Canadian Rockies, offering a range of outdoor activities for adventure seekers. From hiking and skiing to mountain biking and wildlife watching, Banff has something for everyone. The town is also home to a growing number of vegan and vegetarian eateries, making it easy to find delicious plant-based meals as you explore the great outdoors. Don't miss the chance to try restaurants serving vegan dishes with a Canadian twist. Iceland's capital, Reykjavik, is an exciting destination for vegan adventurers looking to explore the country's unique landscapes. With its dramatic geysers, stunning waterfalls, and magical northern lights, Iceland offers an unforgettable experience. As you traverse this rugged terrain, you'll find Reykjavik's vegan food scene is surprisingly diverse. The city boasts several vegan and vegan-friendly restaurants, so you can enjoy a delicious meal after a day of exploration. Cusco, the gateway to Machu Picchu, is a must-visit destination for vegan travelers seeking adventure and rich cultural experiences. This ancient city is surrounded by the stunning Andes Mountains and offers a variety of outdoor activities, including trekking, mountain biking, and horseback riding. As you immerse yourself in the vibrant local culture, you'll be delighted to discover Cusco's growing vegan food scene. Many restaurants offer vegan and vegetarian options, allowing you to eat vegan while exploring this incredible city. Up-and-coming vegan hotspots. When it comes to vegan travel, there are some destinations that truly stand out. These up-and-coming vegan hotspots offer a combination of fantastic plant-based food, unique cultural experiences, and incredible natural beauty. Corn Islands, Nicaragua. The Corn Islands, located off the coast of Nicaragua, are a true hidden gem for vegan travelers. Known for their pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant coral reefs, these islands are perfect for diving enthusiasts and beach lovers alike. While you might not expect to find many vegan options in this remote paradise, you'll be pleasantly surprised by the growing vegan scene on the islands. Little Corn Island in particular has a handful of vegan-friendly eateries offering fresh, plant-based meals made with local ingredients. From vegan burgers to traditional Nicaraguan dishes, there's something to satisfy every palate. After a day spent exploring the underwater wonders of the Corn Islands, treat yourself to a delicious vegan meal and enjoy the laid-back island vibes. Ljubljana, the picturesque capital of Slovenia, is emerging as an exciting vegan destination in Europe. This charming city is known for its stunning architecture, vibrant street art, and lovely green spaces. The vegan scene in Ljubljana is expanding rapidly, with a variety of plant-based eateries offering delicious vegan options. Visit the Ljubljana Central Market to find fresh local produce and discover the city's growing number of vegan-friendly cafes and restaurants. Don't miss the chance to try traditional Slovenian dishes with a vegan twist, like vegan potica or vegan prekmurska gibanica. Tbilisi, the capital of Georgia, is a fascinating city with a rich history and a unique blend of European and Asian influences. With its stunning architecture, lively art scene, and warm hospitality, Tbilisi is an ideal destination for travelers seeking culture and great food. In recent years, the vegan scene in Tbilisi has been growing, with a number of vegan and vegetarian cafes and restaurants popping up around the city. Be sure to try the vegan versions of traditional Georgian dishes like kinkali, a delicious dumpling, and pakali, a vegetable pate. Guatemala is another vegan travel destination that should be on your radar. This Central American country boasts a rich cultural heritage, stunning landscapes, and a burgeoning vegan food scene. From the jungle-fringer waterfalls of Simucchampe to the ancient ruins of Tikal, there's no shortage of attractions for travelers to explore. As you venture through Guatemala, you'll find a growing number of vegan-friendly restaurants in cities like Antigua and around Lake Atitlan. These eateries offer a mix of international and traditional Guatemalan dishes, often made with vegan twists. Don't miss the chance to try vegan versions of local favorites like tamales and pupusas. In addition to the impressive plant-based food options, Guatemala offers a variety of unique experiences for vegan travelers. Visit the vibrant markets to discover local fruits, vegetables, and traditional handicrafts. Explore the country's incredible Mayan ruins or trek through lush rainforests and coffee plantations. With so much to see and do, Guatemala is a must-visit destination for any vegan adventurer. Belgrade, the capital of Serbia, is a vibrant city with a rich history and a thriving arts and culture scene. Although traditional Serbian cuisine is heavily meat-based, Belgrade has recently seen a surge in vegan and vegetarian eateries. The city's growing vegan scene offers everything from casual street food to elegant fine dining. Explore Belgrade's many vegan cafes and restaurants, sampling traditional Serbian dishes made with vegan ingredients. Don't miss the chance to try vegan sarma, a delicious stuffed cabbage roll, or a plant-based version of the popular Serbian dessert, krempita. Do your research before embarking on your vegan adventure. It's crucial to research your destination. Find out if the city is known for being vegan-friendly and look up the local vegan places in advance. This will make it easier to plan your meals and discover the best plant-based options available. Additionally, learning about the vegan city in the world rankings can help you decide where to visit next. When traveling to a foreign country, it's helpful to learn a few key phrases in the local language. This can make it easier to communicate your dietary preferences and ensure that your meals are vegan. Familiarize yourself with terms for vegan, vegetarian, and common animal-derived ingredients, as well as any local dishes that are traditionally vegan or can be easily adapted. There are several vegan-focused apps and websites available that can help you find vegan-friendly restaurants, cafes, and grocery stores in destinations like major cities and even smaller towns. Apps like Happy Cow and Vegman provide listings and reviews of vegan-friendly eateries worldwide, making it easy to find great vegan food no matter where you are. When traveling, it's always a good idea to pack some vegan snacks to keep you going between meals. This can be particularly useful if you're visiting a destination where vegan food is less common or if you're planning a long day of sightseeing. Choose items like nuts, dried fruit, or granola bars. When traveling to places that may not have a well-established vegan scene, it's important to be flexible and creative with your food choices. If you can't find a dedicated vegan restaurant, look for eateries that offer a variety of cuisines, as many international dishes can be easily adapted to be vegan. For example, you might find a vegan restaurant chain offering plant-based options or a local cafe with a few vegan-friendly dishes. One of the best ways to discover the vegan gems of a city is to connect with the local vegan community. Many cities have vegan groups on social media platforms like Facebook where members share their favorite vegan places and tips for living a plant-based lifestyle in their area. Joining these groups can help you make new friends and gain valuable insights into the local vegan scene. When booking your accommodation, look for options that cater to vegan guests. Many hotels and guest houses now offer vegan-friendly breakfast options or can provide plant-based meals upon request. Additionally, some destinations have entirely vegan hotels or eco-friendly lodges that prioritize sustainability and a plant-based lifestyle. As a vegan traveler, it's essential to share your experiences and recommendations with others in the vegan community. Write reviews of the vegan places you've visited and share your tips for finding great vegan food in the cities you've explored. Your insights can help other vegan travelers have an easier and more enjoyable trip. The world is filled with vegan-friendly destinations waiting to be discovered. Pack your bags, your vegan adventure awaits. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.